And just like that, your contacts are now successfully imported from Excel to your iPhone. Once the process is complete, all your saved contacts will appear directly in the Contacts app without any extra steps. To make this happen, you'll need a simple third-party app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Contacts to Excel. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is finished. Inside the app, you'll see two main options on the screen: Import Contacts and Export Contacts. Tap on Import Contacts, then select Import from Excel. The app will automatically show the Excel files available on your device. Choose the most recent Excel file or the file you want to import, tap on it, and wait a few seconds while the contacts are transferred. If you were struggling to move contacts from Excel to your iPhone and didn't know where to start, this method makes the process quick and stress-free. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we share easy and reliable tech solutions. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and thanks for watching.